You got a little fire scene going on. We got engine copy number 4. Hi. What? What? We also got engine copy number 1. Engine 1. There's the 4. Oh, no, you got coffee over here too. Oh yeah, it sounds like alarm's going off, so alarm's doing it, I guess. Lost coming in. Nothing really going on. I was hoping to find something. Actually, no. Oh, this house emergency. Class C. So, zero copy. And right here's Class C. Class C. Is this Class C over here? Okay. Hello. Class C right there. Yeah, that runs. I also got me just as a firefighter, and also my school over there with my red and my flashing lights on it. It was my phone. Okay. I'm going to screw it quickly. You guys have to find my screw, my screw do it. How about that, please? There's nothing really going on right now. Well, I can see. Oh my god, engine 4 lights are actually put on my phone. Your back off the engine quickly. Well, there's not that much going on right now, so all I have to do is inside with all 8 months. Yeah, I'm gonna head home now. And we'll see ya. I'll just gotta go do that. Bye.